Want to learn how to solo over anything? It all starts with the major scale. It's the sweetest one. The Major Scale Challenge and free jam start right now. So let's dive in. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how to use these scale challenges and chord family information. And basically what's going to happen is you're going to hear 4 clicks, and then we'll go right in and play the major scale at a slow tempo, kind of getting it together. Then you'll hear 4 faster clicks, and so we'll play the scale at a medium tempo, getting it together. And then you'll hear 4 even faster clicks, and we will play the major scale at what I would call a pro level. So that's your challenge. Can you get that scale up to that pro level? But that being said, don't worry too much about playing it fast. The main thing is to create muscle memory. Definitely you want to memorize the names of the notes. So make sure that when you play the scale patterns, you're not just playing a pattern. You're thinking C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Of course, that's a little harder at the really fast tempos, but if you get that together at the slower tempos, it will happen. You'll be able to think the notes that quickly. Okay, and so then immediately following the scale exercises, we go right into the jam, which is really fun. You've got the scale under your fingers, and so you just want to improvise, make up some ideas, try some things out, and just get used to bouncing around the notes in that scale pattern. Okay, so most importantly, just have fun with it. All right, see you later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. For more information on my signature guitar and musicianship courses, check out the information in the links below.